Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. Today's my topic is patience. Patience in Islam is like water in your life. If you take out water from your life, what it could be? It's a death. As Allah Rabbul Izzah says, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيًّا. Indeed, we made every living thing from water. أَفَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. Every attribute of Islam is essential just as water is. If it is removed, patience is water. If it is removed, Islam loses its crux, spirit, essence. Allah Rabbul Izzah also emphasized to seek help with patience and salah. As Allah Rabbul Izzah says, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, oh, those who are believers, ista'inu bis sabri was salah. Seek the help with patience and prayers. If you open the books of Sirah, if you read the stories of Ashab, how the Ashab they felt persecution at the hands of Mushrikeen of Makkah. Look at the patience of Bilal. Look at the patience of Abu Faqih. Look at the patience of Zunaira. Look at the patience of Khabbab, who were severely mistreated. Look at the patience of Sumayya and Yasir, who was brutally killed. Look at the initial 3 years of Shabi Abi Talib, where the Ashab were imprisoned. The small kids were also imprisoned. They were not receiving a food and a single drop of water. What are these? These are the patients. And they have subjected to extreme torture. That does not mean that all these torments were directly or indirectly aimed towards the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, through his loyal companion, through his loyal followers. If you feel the patience of them, you may turn into tears. I want to tell a story about Sumayya and Yasir. Do you know when Abu Jahl was torturing Sumayya and Yasir, Abu Jahl tied her young, strong son Yasir radiallahu anhu to a pillar, and an idol in his hand. He frustrated with Sumayya's resilience, a great lady companion. He says to her, just say once that there is something in this idol. Do you know what she done? She spat on Abu Jahl. Abu Jahl, in his anger, he struck a stick on her private part and causing immense pain. She felt a lot of suffering. As our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed them and said, Fasbiru, ya ala Yasir, fa inna maw'idakumul jannah. Have patience, O family of Yasir. Your preparation is going on paradise for welcoming you. My brothers and sisters, do you know what is patience? Do you know what is patience? Patience, the ability to wait calmly in the face of frustrations and difficulties. It's a cornerstone for your personal growth. It's a cornerstone for your personal growth. As you are the leaders of futures, as you are the du'at of this ummah, as you are the preacher, as you are the propagator of Islam, you often face most of the time you face radicals, excessiveness, insults from others. People will make fun of you. You may get humiliations, malice, jealousy, but you need to strive hard against them for the sake of Allah. As Allah Rabbul Izzah says, وَالَّذِينَ سَبَرُوا ابْتِغَاءَ وَجْهِ رَبِّهِ. Patience is not easy. It's a bitter pill to swallow. And Allah Rabbul Izzah gives several rewards for the patience. وَجَزَاؤُهُمْ بِمَا سَبَرُوا جَنَّةً وَحَرِيرًا. Those who inbuilt the quality of patience, Allah reward them with gardens, with Jannah and silk ataris. Allah will give a leadership, a position of leadership in both the worlds. As Allah Rabbul Izzah says, وَجَعَلْنَا مِنْهُمْ أَئِمَّةً يَهْدُونَ بِأَمْرِنَا لَمَّا صَبَرُوا. Those who have inbuilt the quality of patience, those who have instilled the quality of patience, Allah will give them the leadership, the position of leadership because of their patience. Do you know, patience is a very beautiful thing. It's amazing. As Allah Rabbul Izzah says, "Fasbiru sabran jamila." Have patience. Patience is a beautiful thing. Patience is like makeup. It's like decoration. If you decorate your home or bike or garden, it increases its beauty. It increases its beauty. As you will inbuild or instill the quality of patience, you will enjoy your life. Your life will increase in beautiness. I conclude my speech.